we are now going to look at the basic guidelines for creating powerful presentations. The very first step, or as I would call it as step A, is keep the data on slides simple. Yes, doesn't it sound surprising? It is. In today's professional world, you need to keep the data on the slides very simple. Please do not go ahead and cram data onto the slide. The next point, or step B, says use large and legible letters or font size. If you use tiny font size, it might be difficult for the audience to focus and understand what is happening in your presentation. People at the back or backbenchers of the audience might not be able to view your presentation, so they will have a tough time viewing your presentation. An important acronym in the PowerPoint jargon is the KISS principle. KISS means keep it short and simple. You need to keep your presentations short and simple. By doing this, you're going to overcome the phrase which we discussed earlier, that is death by PowerPoint. Your audience will not get bored, but will be engaged by whatever presentations you give. The next point speaks about the usage of not more than 6 bullet points per slide. As we know, bullet points are the norm in any PowerPoint presentation. But do we know the fact that using a lot of bullet points can create boredom and monotony in your slides? So we have discussed 4 basic guidelines in this slide. Let us go to the next slide, in which we have some more guidelines that we are going to look at. The next point, or point E, speaks about using graphs rather than tables if possible. Using graphs creates a visual effect of the dashboard that you're going to present rather than presenting it in the form of a table. Graphs are self-explanatory, and hence you don't have to do a lot of work to explain what happens in a table. The next point, or point F, is breaking up of complex slides. Please do not complicate aspects in a PowerPoint presentation, rather break them up into a series of slides. It is a matter and a problem if you have a lot of material on one slide, hence break it up in multiple slides. The point G speaks about not using disturbing animations. This particular point will be demonstrated in the subsequent slides that we're going to look at. You will be able to visually see what are the recommended font sizes and styles and what are the non-recommended ones. Hence, we will also take a look at the use and not using disturbing animations. Point 8 says avoid the use of dark colors. Yes, if you're preparing a slide, please do not use dark colors. Colors like red, dark blue should be not used on the slide background, because it will create a problem looking at the slide. It will disturb the visibility. From this slide, we start an interesting journey, a journey into the world of PowerPoint 2007. As the slide topic suggests and states, we're going to leverage the power of PowerPoint 2007. There are 4 broad aspects that we're going to cover in this video session. In fact, these are not just 4 aspects, but there is a lot of variety and learning from these aspects. I would suggest for you to go ahead and explore more aspects of PowerPoint 2007. Let us look at what is the first aspect. The very first aspect is the use of quick styles. Quick styles is a crucial element that PowerPoint 2007 has, which makes an impact while creating presentations. A very important aspect of quick styles is it is simple to use, like the other aspects. The next is the use of shapes. If you see professional presentations today, they all have soft shapes rectangles, circles. So, today's session I will discuss how to use shapes. The next aspect is one of the most crucial objects or aspects that creates power in your PowerPoint 2007 presentation. If you are able to leverage Smartart Graphics, you're able to create that impact and power in your presentation. We will discuss in detail Smartart Graphics. I will also demonstrate different graphics for you to understand. Lastly, we are going to look at use of videos. PowerPoint 2007 has provided aspects like narration and also using videos. Videos can be used to create that impact and reinforcement in your presentations. People who get bored looking at your presentations and you can take solace in the fact that there are videos. Videos can be added to provide professional information through different presenters. Let us now go ahead and discuss the use of quick styles. The very first aspect about quick styles is the ready-made styling tool. Yes, this is a ready-made styling tool and you don't have to do much. At the click of a mouse, you have this feature available. The next aspect is the wide variety of colors that you can use and play and experiment in quick styles. The last aspect is it's a simple but a very powerful tool. If you notice, a lot of things on this particular slide are made using quick styles. The very first aspect is the box in which the letters or the title is used. That is made using quick styles. All this is done with the click of a button.